All right, hello everyone. So today we're going to review our rhyming words. Okay, so let's start with our learning target, which is I can recognize rhyming words. This is our standard for today. So we will start with a review of Humpty Dumpty. All right, so I want you to listen and hear the rhyming words in this poem, okay, this nursery rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great ball. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. I want you to think about some of the rhyming words you heard in this poem, okay? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great ball. Did you hear the rhyming words there? Yes, the rhyming words are wall and fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. What are the rhyming words there? Yes, the rhyming words are men and again. Awesome. Very good. I want you to remember that when we talk about rhyming words, those are the words that have the same middle and ending sounds. So I want you to put your big ears on and listen for those middle and ending sounds. Let's practice. Look at these two pictures. What do you see? Here's a picture of a vest and a nest. Do these words rhyme? Yes, nest and vest rhyme. Awesome! Can you think of another word that might rhyme with nest and vest? Very good. Awesome. So the object here is to have your listening ears for those words that have the same middle sound and the same ending sound. Let's look at another example. Look at these two pictures. Here's a picture of a swing and a ring. I want you to listen very carefully. Do these words rhyme? Swing, ring. Do they rhyme? Give me a thumbs up if they do and a thumbs down if they don't. Yes, thumbs up. Yes, these two words rhyme. Now, it's your turn. I want you to take a look at this picture. This is a picture of a what? Yes, this is a bat. Can you think of some words that rhyme with bat? Yes, there are some words that rhyme with bat that have the same middle and ending sound. At, hat. Very good. You're doing an awesome job. So now what I want you to do is draw a picture of something that rhymes with bat. Okay, I can't wait to see your drawing.